Hi everyone, we're going to find the constant a or the range of a for our quadratic equation x squared plus a plus 1 times x plus a plus 3 divided by 2. And the condition is it has a double root. So that's just a terminology for one intersection point. A double root would be something like if you had x minus 3 squared. So double root would be x minus 3 times x minus 3, and you still just have one solution where that is x equals 3. Now what we're going to use is the fact that if we have a double root, that means there's only one intersection point. That means if we looked at the discriminant, then that would be that we set it equal to 0 to get one intersection point. We're not going to actually do the discriminant. It's just when we get our answer, we're going to set it equal to 0, not greater than 0 or not less than 0. All right, so let's complete the square on this. And to do that, we're going to write this as x squared plus a plus 1 times x. And this part here is your constant. I'm going to move it on this side of the equation, so it's negative a plus 3 divided by 2. Now to complete the square, this is your b here. So you take your b, divide by 2, and then square it. All right, so this is going to get, just put that here, that's going to be a plus 1 divided by 2, and then square it. All right, now you have to also add it to this side, so since I already wrote it, I'm just going to put a plus there for now. So whatever you add on this side, you have to add on the right-hand side as well as the left-hand side. All right, now I'm just going to condense this side here. So this is going to be x, because this is a perfect square trinomial. So we have x, use your first operator, plus this b divided by 2, which is this. So it's going to be a plus 1 divided by 2, and this is all squared. Now for this side, let me go ahead and write this as a plus 1 squared divided by 4 minus, then we have a plus 3 divided by 2. All right, now from this part here just equals 0. We set it to 0. And then we also want to set this part to 0. So I'm going to add this part here to both sides. So we're going to get a plus 3 divided by 2. And remember, all this equals to 0 because we only want one intersection point. And this equals, I'm going to go ahead and expand this. It's going to be a squared plus 2a plus 1 divided by 4. And to further simplify this, if I cross this 4 up here, what's going to happen? 2 goes into 4 2 times. So basically what we're going to have is 2a plus 6 equals a squared plus 2a plus 1. All right. Now, the a's, the two a's are going to cancel here, right? And if I subtract the 1, I'm going to get a squared equals 5. Right there. And I'm running out of room, so let me do something real quick. So we have a squared equals 5. And therefore, when you square root both sides, you're going to get a equals plus or minus, I'll put that there, square root of 5. And that is, you have two values for a. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.